Amid ongoing confusion in the Sabarimala temple issue, where women of menstruating age are not being allowed despite the Supreme Court's order, the court has now asked the Kerala government to form an exclusive law for the temple's administration. The deadline for the formation of this law is set as the third week of January 2020. Here's a full report.
With an aim to ease pilgrimage in Sabarimala temple in Kerala, the Supreme Court has asked the Kerala government to come up with an exclusive law for the temple's administration. The court made this observation while going through a petition filed by the Pandalam royal family to protect their rights. The Pandalam royal family was one among those who filed a review petition against the Supreme Court's September 2018 order of allowing the entry of women into the holy shrine. Even though the temple is maintained by the Travancore Devaswam Board, the Pandalam royal family takes care of the deity and is involved in other decision-making within the temple. A three-judge bench headed by Justice N.V. Ramana, B.R. Gavai and Subhash Reddy asked the state government to file a draft in 4 weeks and adjourn the matter for the third week of January 2020.
This is not enough. There is need for a new, exclusive law for administration of Sabarimala temple.
During the hearing, the bench pulled up the Kerala government for not formulating a separate law despite its earlier direction. The council appearing for the state said it has formulated amendments to the law that would deal with the temples and their administration. The administration of the temple is currently being governed by the Travancore Devaswam Board. According to the state's amendments in the Travancore Kochi Religious Institution Act, there is a provision of inclusion of 1/3 quota for women in the advisory committees. Taking note of this, the bench questioned that how there can be women in the panel when a 7-judge bench is yet to examine the question of essential religious practices. Last week, a 5-judge bench headed by the then CJI Ranjan Gogoi had referred the matter to a larger bench of 7 judges. The verdict on the Sabarimala temple will be delivered by the 7-judge bench, which would be headed by CJI S.A. Bobre. A News 9 report.